Welcome to our exploration of electric fields and the forces they create. Electric fields are invisible regions around charged objects where other charges experience a force. These fields are fundamental to understanding how electricity works, from the smallest particles to the devices we use every day. In this video, we'll break down what electric fields are, how they're created, and why they're so important in both nature and technology. Let's start by visualizing what an electric field actually is and how it affects the world around us. Electric field is a region in space where an electric charge will feel a force. Imagine placing a small test charge near another charged object. If the test charge moves, that's because it's inside an electric field. The strength and direction of this field depend on the amount and type of charge creating it. Positive charges create fields that point away from them, while negative charges create fields that point toward them. This simple idea helps explain a wide range of electrical phenomena. To better understand electric fields, scientists use field lines. These lines show the direction a positive test charge would move if placed in the field. The closer the lines are to each other, the stronger the field in that region. Field lines start on positive charges and end on negative charges. This visualization helps us see how charges interact, even though we can't see the fields themselves. It's a powerful tool for predicting the behavior of electric forces. Coulomb's law describes the force between two-point charges. It states that the force is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This means that as charges get closer, the force increases rapidly. Coulomb's law is fundamental to understanding how electric fields create forces between objects, whether they're electrons in an atom or static charges on a balloon. When two charges are placed near each other, they exert forces that can either attract or repel, like charges repel while opposite charges attract. This simple rule explains many everyday phenomena, from why your hair stands up after rubbing a balloon to how molecules form. The strength of these forces depends on the amount of charge and the distance between them, as described by Coulomb's law. Strength of an electric field at a point is defined as the force experienced by unit positive charge placed at that point. This is measured in newtons per coulomb NC. The stronger the field, the greater the force on any charge within it. Field strength decreases as you move further from the source charge, following an inverse square law. Understanding field strength helps us predict how charges will move in different situations. Direction of an electric field is defined as the direction a positive test charge would move if placed in the field. For a single positive charge, the field points outward in all directions. For a negative charge, the field points inward. When multiple charges are present, the field at any point is the vector sum of the fields from each charge. This principle helps us analyze complex systems with many interacting charges. Superposition principle states that when multiple electric fields are present, the total field at any point is the sum of the individual fields. This means we can analyze complex arrangements of charges by considering each charge separately and then adding their effects. This principle is essential for understanding the behavior of electric fields in real-world situations, such as in circuits or in the atmosphere. Electric field created by a single point charge is simple to calculate. The field radiates outward from a positive charge and inward toward a negative charge. The strength of the field decreases with the square of the distance from the charge. This basic model helps us understand more complicated systems by breaking them down into individual point charges. Electric dipole consists of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. The field created by a dipole is more complex than that of a single charge. Dipoles are important in chemistry and biology, where molecules often have positive and negative ends. Understanding dipoles helps explain how molecules interact and how electric fields influence matter at the molecular level. Electric field lines around a dipole show a distinctive pattern. They emerge from the positive charge and curve around to enter the negative charge. This pattern helps us visualize how dipoles interact with other charges and fields. The unique shape of dipole fields is crucial in understanding molecular interactions and the behavior of materials in electric fields. A uniform electric field has the same strength and direction at every point. This can be created between two large parallel plates with opposite charges. Uniform fields are useful in experiments and devices like capacitors. They provide a simple environment for studying the effects of electric fields on charges and materials. Inside a parallel plate capacitor, the electric field is nearly uniform. This means the force on a charge is the same everywhere between the plates. Capacitors are widely used in electronics to store and release energy. Understanding the electric field inside a capacitor is key to designing efficient circuits and electronic devices. Electric potential is a measure of the potential energy per unit charge at a point in an electric field. It helps us understand how much work is needed to move a charge from one point to another. High potential means more energy is available to move charges. This concept is essential for understanding batteries, circuits, and how energy is transferred in electrical systems. Potential difference or voltage between 2 points is the work done to move a unit charge from one point to the other. Voltage is what drives current through a circuit. It's measured in volts and is a key concept in all electrical devices. Understanding voltage helps explain how batteries power our phones and how electricity flows in our homes. The electric field is related to the change in electric potential. In simple terms, the field points in the direction where potential decreases most rapidly. The greater the change in potential over a distance, the stronger the field. This relationship helps us connect the ideas of force, energy, and movement in electrical systems. Equipotential lines are imaginary lines where the electric potential is the same everywhere along the line. No work is needed to move a charge along an equipotential. These lines are always perpendicular to electric field lines. Equipotential lines help us visualize how energy is distributed in an electric field and are useful in designing electrical equipment. When a charge moves in an electric field, the field does work on the charge. The amount of work depends on the charge, the strength of the field, and the distance moved. This concept is crucial for understanding how energy is transferred in electrical systems, from simple circuits to complex machinery. Inside a conductor, electric charges move freely. When a conductor is in electrostatic equilibrium, the electric field inside is zero. Any excess charge resides on the surface. This property is why conductors are used to shield sensitive electronics from external electric fields. Faraday cage is a special enclosure made of conducting material. It blocks external electric fields from reaching the inside. This is why you're safe from lightning inside a car or airplane. Faraday cages are used in labs and industry to protect equipment from electrical interference. Unlike conductors, insulators do not allow charges to move freely. When placed in an electric field, the charges in an insulator shift slightly, creating tiny dipoles. This effect is called polarization. Insulators are essential for keeping electrical currents where we want them, such as in wires and cables. Polarization happens when the positive and negative charges in an insulator shift slightly in opposite directions under an electric field. This creates a weak internal field that opposes the external field. Polarization is important in many materials, including plastics and glass, and affects how they respond to electric fields. Electric fields are used in a wide range of applications. They're essential in electronics, medical devices, and even in air purifiers. Understanding how electric fields work allows engineers and scientists to design better products and solve real-world problems. Photocopiers use electric fields to transfer toner particles onto paper. A drum inside the copier is charged in a pattern that matches the image to be copied. Toner sticks to the charged areas and is then transferred to paper. This process relies on precise control of electric fields. Inkjet printers use electric fields to direct tiny droplets of ink onto paper. By applying different voltages, the printer can control where each droplet lands, creating sharp images and text. This technology is a great example of electric fields at work in everyday life. Electrostatic precipitators use electric fields to remove particles from the air in factories and power plants. Particles are given a charge and then attracted to plates with the opposite charge. This process helps reduce air pollution and improve air quality. Lightning is a dramatic example of electric fields in nature. During a storm, strong electric fields build up between clouds and the ground. When the field becomes strong enough, it causes a sudden discharge, lightning. Understanding electric fields helps us explain and predict this powerful natural phenomenon. Electric fields play a role in biology too. Nerve cells use electric fields to transmit signals throughout the body. The movement of ions creates tiny electric fields that allow nerves to communicate rapidly. This process is essential for everything from muscle movement to thought. We encounter electric fields every day, often without realizing it. From the static shock you feel after walking on carpet to the way your phone's touchscreen works, electric fields are all around us. Recognizing their presence helps us appreciate the invisible forces shaping our world. While electric fields are useful, they can also be dangerous if not handled properly. High-voltage equipment and power lines create strong electric fields that can cause harm. Safety measures, such as insulation and grounding, are essential to protect people and equipment from electric hazards. Scientists use special instruments to measure electric fields. These devices can detect the strength and direction of a field, helping engineers design safer and more efficient electrical systems. Accurate measurement is crucial for research, industry, and everyday safety. Mapping electric fields involves plotting field lines and equipotential lines to visualize how the field behaves in different situations. This process is used in laboratories and classrooms to help students and scientists understand complex field patterns. A charge placed in an electric field experiences a force. The direction and magnitude of this force depend on the charge's sign and the field's strength. This principle is the basis for many devices, from cathode ray tubes to particle accelerators. Electric fields are responsible for driving electric current through conductors. When a voltage is applied, the field pushes electrons through the wire, creating a current. This process powers everything from light bulbs to computers. Shielding is used to block unwanted electric fields from sensitive equipment. Materials like metal can absorb or redirect fields, protecting electronics from interference. Proper shielding is vital in hospitals, labs, and communication systems. Electrostatic forces are harnessed in many industries. They're used to paint cars, sort materials, and even in food processing. By controlling electric fields, manufacturers can improve efficiency and product quality. Medical devices like defibrillators and MRI machines use electric fields to diagnose and treat patients. Electric fields can stimulate nerves, detect abnormalities, and even help heal injuries. Advances in medical technology rely on a deep understanding of electric fields. Electric fields exist not just on Earth but throughout the universe. In space, they influence the movement of charged particles, shape planetary atmospheres, and drive phenomena like auroras. Studying electric fields in space helps us understand the cosmos. Electrostatics deals with electric fields from stationary charges, while electrodynamics studies moving charges and changing fields. Both areas are essential for understanding electricity and magnetism. This distinction helps us organize and solve different types of electrical problems. The study of electric fields and forces has a rich history. Scientists like Coulomb, Faraday, and Maxwell made groundbreaking discoveries that shaped our understanding of electricity. Their work laid the foundation for modern technology and continues to inspire new research. Maxwell's equations summarize the fundamental laws of electricity and magnetism. They describe how electric fields are created and how they interact with magnetic fields. These equations are the backbone of modern physics and engineering, enabling everything from radio to wireless communication. Research into electric fields continues to push the boundaries of science and technology. New materials, faster electronics, and advanced medical treatments all depend on a deeper understanding of electric fields. The future holds exciting possibilities as we learn more about these invisible forces. Let's review the key concepts we've covered. Electric fields are regions where charges experience forces. Field lines help us visualize these forces. Coulomb's law describes the force between charges. Electric potential and voltage explain how energy moves in a field. Applications range from everyday devices to advanced technology. In summary, electric fields and forces are fundamental to understanding the world around us. They explain how charges interact, how energy is transferred, and how technology works. By mastering these concepts, we gain insight into everything from lightning to laptops. Thank you for joining us on this journey through electric fields and forces. We hope you now have a deeper appreciation for the invisible forces that shape our lives and our technology. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.